This is how PanTerra Streams.ai allows you to make and receive calls directly inside Microsoft Teams. With Streams.ai, there's no need to download a separate soft phone or use an external dial pad. All calls happen natively inside Microsoft Teams. Getting started is simple. The PanTerra Streams.ai app is installed directly from the Microsoft Teams App Store. Once enabled, it integrates seamlessly into the Teams environment, just like chat and meetings. You can place and receive calls, manage conversations, and review your communication history without ever leaving the platform. Here's how easy it is. Simply select a contact or dial a number, and the call connects instantly through Streams.ai. Incoming calls appear in the lower corner of your screen, notifying you while keeping your workflow uninterrupted. No new interfaces to learn, no new habits to build. With PanTerra Streams.ai, Microsoft Teams becomes your complete business calling solution. Simple to use, easy to adopt, designed to work the way your teams already do. Ready to see how this works for your organization? Explore PanTerra Streams.ai for Microsoft Teams.